Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my final review on the Alani New energy drinks and pre-workout. So started my fitness journey and your girl needs some pre-workout to get herself motivated, you know? Yeah, so the first thing I bought from Alani New is the cotton candy grape. I really like this. It does not give me the tingles, which is different than what I'm used to. But this is not. It's very mellow and you do feel a little bit like once it starts to hit, it feels pretty good. It takes about 10 minutes for me anyway. I really like it. The endurance, it doesn't help as much. I do like it. It does give me a lot of energy. After my workout, I work out between 6 and 8. So it is pretty late, and when I get up from the gym I'm always up until like 3 a.m. now because of it. But lately I've been working on my schedule. I've been waking up a lot earlier, so hopefully this will chill a little bit. But yeah, I really like it. It tastes like grape soda, the Faygo grape soda, and it's really good. It's almost like, not like a watered down grape soda, but like low calorie grape soda, if you know what I mean. Really good. It smells like the purple candy that I used to get when I was a kid, and they were like paintbrush candy. So good. It's not too sour, but it is a little sour. So if you were worried about that, you can just dilute it with even more water, which is what I usually do. I usually do like 12 ounces and it tastes fine. I noticed that if I wanted to get the tingles, I would have to do almost a scoop and like a third of it to get it. But yeah, I like it. The only complaint that I have about it is I think that it broke me out 2 weeks ago. I took too much. I took like a scoop and a half because I don't know, I was feeling savage, and I got the tingles, which was great, which is what I wanted. But then coming home that night, this whole side of my face just broke out so bad. I don't know what it was, but I'm pretty sure it was this, because this is the only thing that I changed my diet with, is using this. $40. Everyone complains about it being so much, but honestly, every pre-workout and fitness related BCAA, all that stuff is the same price, but so it's reasonable, and I think it's definitely worth it for women that want to start out and don't want to go crazy like with other pre-workouts that will get you going nuts. This is really good. It's like low maintenance. I really like it. And then I don't have any of the energy drinks because I drank them all this last week. The 3 that I had were the Skittles Sour Peach Ring and the Arctic White. I posted 2 videos of me trying each of them, and I'm just gonna recap of what I said in them because most people probably won't even go watch my vlogs. But anyway, my favorite was the Arctic White. It tastes so good. It tastes like tangerine, very refreshing. It was so refreshing. Like if I could drink that all day to help me get off of my Dr. Pepper addiction, I would. It's really good. And it tastes like a Red Bull, but like a low calorie Red Bull, which was fine with me. That was absolutely my favorite. And then I had the Skittles one. The Skittles one was really good. It gave me a lot of energy. I was able to get so much work done in like 30 minutes. It was awesome. I really liked it, but I noticed that energy does not last long. So after about an hour and a half, it kind of wears off, for me anyway. I don't know, it depends on what you're doing. And then the Sour Peach Rings, I gagged. I can't do peach anything. I thought I could, but I don't like the Sour Peach Ring candy. If you like that candy, then you will love this. I just can't deal with peach anything. Probably because of my history with peachy drinks, and drinking is just bad. I'm traumatized. Anyways, the Sour Peach Rings was not my favorite. I really want to try the Mimosa, the Cotton Candy Grape. There's another one I really want to try, but they're always sold out, so like I'm fighting. I'm literally looking on the website on gnc.com every single day so I can stock up, because my local GNC, every time they get a batch every Friday, they're sold out within 10 minutes and I'm always late, so it kind of sucks that I couldn't get it. And also the other GNC that I visited that was an hour and 15 minutes away, they only had 3 different kinds and then they were sold out. It was just a hot mess. Yeah, even though everything is sold out right now, so I'm just gonna have to wait for a restock. But yeah, I really like the energy drinks. I can definitely see myself taking that every day, a boost of energy instead of a cup of coffee. Yeah, I enjoyed them very much. So Alani New, if you want to sponsor me, email me down below because I would love it. But I'm definitely going to keep buying them. I just have to wait for them to get in stock. Also trying out the Alani New Balance capsules right now. I am almost done with my first week and I've noticed a slight difference of my skin changing, so that's great. I will have another update about those capsules. So that's about it for this video. I really like the Alani New energy drinks. I highly recommend them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Then you're left in the dust unless I stuck by